Hi, I'm Macy from the Charleston County Public Library, and thanks for watching this virtual program. September is Library Card Sign-Up Month, and your Charleston County Library card is the key to a wealth of information and resources for free. Of course, we have tons of books. We also have movies, telescopes, museum passes, and gaming tablets for kids. And your library card gives you access to tons of digital content, like ebooks, audiobooks, music, and magazine subscriptions, plus access to databases for professional development, learning a new language, and genealogy research. Your library card is available for free if you live in Charleston County. Just stop by your neighborhood branch with your proof of address and your ID. For more information, visit ccpl.org.
One of the marshmallows. What is this?
That is some butter.
I don't want to try some butter.
You don't want to just be butter by itself. Hello everyone, I'm Devon Andrews. I'm the Community Engagement Manager for Charleston County Public Library.
I love that marshmallow that you gave me.
Oh good, I'm so glad because we've got a tasty treat we're going to be making today. Oh yeah, what's your name?
Elliot.
Elliot. This is Elliot. He'll be helping me today. He's my best helper. And we're going to be making some no-bake cookies and cream bars. So basically, these are like Rice Krispie treats, but with Oreos instead of Rice Krispies.
I smell the marshmallow.
So, super decadent, super exciting. Will you help me put some of these Oreos in a bag?
Mom, can I have one Oreo?
After you help me.
Okay.
Okay. So we're gonna put most of the Oreos in a bag. If we were using a regular size package of Oreos.
I think I'll eat this one.
Okay, set that one over there so you can eat it. If we were using regular size Oreo package, we'd use pretty much the whole thing. But this is a family size package.
Ow!
So we're going to leave about half a sleeve in there that we can eat separately. And we're going to crush up our Oreos, and you could do this in a blender or a food processor.
I would crush up the Oreos.
But we thought it would be more fun just to do it ourselves with a rolling pin. Let's see, almost done. We'll leave about half of a sleeve in here.
Mom, these ones are chopped in half.
Well, that's perfect. Those are already almost crushed up for us. Okay, we'll save the rest of these for another day. And you've got your one to snack on. And now, we've got them in a bag. We've got our rolling pin. We're gonna crush them up. You wanna help me? Crushed Oreos.
Mom, let me chop them.
Okay, you chop them, and I'll roll them. Oh, that's good.
I'm chopping them. Look, I'm chopping them in half.
That's perfect.
Hi! I'm chopping them in half like a ninja.
We're gonna flip it over. Okay,
Whoa.
chop this side now.
Hi! Yeah. Ninja chop.
Ninja chop. And of course you can buy just Oreo crumbs at the store, but how much fun is this?
Mom, I just nailed it. I'm nailing these ones. I'm nailing these guys.
You're doing a great job.
I had to stop chopping, punching. I had to punch too. And I'm done chopping and punching.
Okay, you did a good job. And this really only uses 3 ingredients. All it takes are the Oreos, some butter, and some, what's the last ingredient?
Marshmallow.
Yeah, some marshmallows.
I want to start chopping and punching.
Okay, good. I could still use your help. We're almost there. Oh wow, these Oreos don't stand a chance against you.
These Oreos don't stand a chance of Elliot the Brave Ninja.
Wow. Elliot the Brave Ninja. think we're about done. I think these are about crushed. Pummeled by the mighty ninja.
That's me.
Okay, you keep crushing those. For our next step, we've got pretty much a whole bag of regular marshmallows, regular size marshmallows, not mini marshmallows, not jumbo marshmallows.
Elliot the ninja is eating an Oreo.
And we've got half a stick of butter in here. So I'm gonna step away while Elliot, the mighty ninja, keeps crushing our cookies. And I'm gonna microwave these for about 1.5 minutes until it gets puffy in the microwave. So Elliot will keep crushing and I'll be right back.
Mom, watch this.
Oh, wow.
What?
You're doing a great job.
Ninja kick. I ninja nailed them when I stomped the ground. Then I nailed.
Wow, you're intense.
These Oreos don't stand a chance and I can hide away from them too.
Yep.
This Oreo didn't count. I had to take over the Oreo. I was fighting. What? I just eating this one of my Oreo I was eating. What?
Let's see. Almost done.
Mom, watch this.
Wow.
2 punch. I did 2 punch at the end. My hands are really mad to crush the gum.
Wow, the Oreos have met their match.
What did it say? What did you say, Mom?
I said the Oreos have met their match.
No, what did you say when I said it? What did you say was next?
Look at that. Don't touch it, but it's hot. But look at that.
Wow.
Those are our gooey, melty marshmallows and butter. So now we are going to pour the Oreos that have been pummeled to dust by Elliot the Brave Ninja. And we're going to pour them in here.
I had to smash them.
Wow, look at that. Look what a good job you did.
Okay.
Oh, yummy.
See, I did it.
Yep.
I crushed them into little pieces.
There's no telling what kind of kitchen skills you'll need. Sometimes you need good smashing skills, right?
I'm still Elliot the Blind Ninja.
Yeah.
And I still have my hiding powers. And still my chopping power. And still my punching power. I only come to chop and punch
Yeah.
and chop and what else?
Snuggle powers?
Last move I can do is hide away.
Oh.
Hide from them.
Okay, so now we've got our Oreos added in there, and now it
Elliot the
says...
Blind Ninja smelled them.
Now we just need to mix it up.
I'll mix. Mom told me to cover my ears.
Okay. Actually, I thought we were going to use a mixer for this, but it looks like we can just use a spoon. Let's see how just using a spoon works. That way we can save your precious ears. Ooh, you want to help me stir it?
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. Yeah.
Whoa, look at the spoon.
I know. Let's get it all mixed up. You think these are going to taste good?
Yep.
Me too. So we're stirring it around, so we're getting all the melted butter and all the marshmallows And all the Oreos all mixed in. What's that face for?
I'm mad at Rex Roofer, that robot, and that guy who stole the money, and him. But I'm not mad at Superman. I'm just mad at his enemy bad guy.
Oh man.
They're trying to get away. I'm mad at him.
If they knew you were mad, I bet they'd stop what they were doing. Right?
But they're still taking things.
Oh no. They still haven't learned a lesson.
Now I'll punch those Superman bad guys. Because they're really bad.
This is very gooey.
Look at the thing that Mr. Wire had to make. Look at our rainbow. It's trying to green rainbow.
We've got lots of cool stuff on our refrigerator, don't we?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now we're just going to put them in a foil-lined 8x8 baking dish. So we're lining it with foil, so hopefully it won't be too much of a mess to clean up. And then we're just going to scoop it all in there.
I helped you with that too.
You did. Thank you, Mario.
You're welcome for helping. I'm just carrying this box. This is for you. This is a package for you.
Oh, thank you so much.
I got a package for you. It's in this hand. Here you go. The something is in there. A mistake toy is in there. I brought you a package of a mistake toy.
Now, I'm almost done scooping these into our pan. It's
That's
very
not Mom.
sticky.
I'm getting out of my chair. Right?
Yeah. Mmm.
Yum. Yum.
Oh, be careful. Let's see.
Mom, it's kind of stopped raining.
Yeah, it did kind of stop raining. Okay, let's come back so we can keep showing the kids how to make our recipe because we're almost done.
Almost done.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh.
This is so gooey.
So good. So.
Ah!
Gooey!
So now we're going to set these aside and let them set for about 10 minutes. This is gooier than I thought it would be, but it looks really good. It smells really good. And then we'll come back and we'll give them a try. Okay, we'll see you.
Tell the kids I got 2 boo when I was at school last year.
Oh, 2 boo-boos on your knees. Ouchie.
And I got sand on it too.
See you in a second. Okay, so we're back. We let our Oreo bars sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. They were very gooey, so now I'm gonna try to cut into them and see if they're more like hardened Rice Krispie treats like we want. I don't know though. I think in hindsight, next time we make these, I might use a little less marshmallows or a little more Oreos. Because these, I know they're gonna taste really good, but they look pretty messy. But is that okay? Aw, snuggle bug. All right. These might need even longer to become a thing. But let's go ahead and try them. Yes, you can. So again, when you do this at home and when we make them again, because we will make them again, because I know they're going to taste really good, use less marshmallows and or more Oreos.
Mom, I'm eating the thing you got.
Okay, I'm going to try it too.
Mmm.
So, you won't look very elegant when you eat them, but they do taste really good, don't
Can
they?
I have one bite of yours?
No, you have your own!
Oh. Yum.
It's really good. So, B- for execution, but A+ for taste. So thanks for hanging out with us. And make these at home. And we're gonna go wash our hands now.
I want to wash my hands. Yeah, I'm fishing.
Yeah, you've got a creative, hands-free way to eat yours. All right, we'll see you next time. Thank you.